Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick lawnmower, bit of a nerdy video, just like your classic or rare or hard to find cars. That is the case with some mowers. And this particular mower here, which you can get in Australia or could get in Australia, New Zealand, and I think Europe and the UK, is the Victa Mulchmaster 480. So the 480 is the width of the cutting deck, so 480 mils or 19 inches. And it's a dedicated mulching mower, so it has an enclosed, like a donut deck. So all the grass is chopped up and pushed back down into grass. There is no room to add a catcher. So yeah, they stopped making these quite a few years ago because the die to make the alloy body needed replacing. It was going to cost hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to do that. So Victa just decided to stop making them. Because Massport were making a sort of a similar enclosed deck mulching mower, but unfortunately they've stopped making those as well. So yeah, very hard to get hold of, even second hand, sort of rare as hen's teeth here in New Zealand anyway. So I've had this for quite a long time. I snapped it up probably at least at least 8 years ago, I'd say, but I've been using it probably as my main daily workhorse for the last 5 years. So it gets a lot of use. As you can see, it is a workhorse. It's not a show pony. What else can I tell you? So this is the original engine, which is pretty impressive, still going strong. It's the Honda GCV 160, so that's 160cc, 5.5 horsepower or 4.1 kilowatts. Haven't had any problems with the engine. The main thing is to either clean or replace the air filter under here and change the oil, and I try and change the oil every week, and if I can't do that, no longer than every 2 weeks. That is the main secret to keeping that engine running well. Very fuel efficient. So yeah, like I say, daily workhorse. Obviously gets a lot of wear and tear. It's got stainless bearings in the wheels. Had to replace a few of those. The only other things I've had to replace, get the odd throttle cables snapping, and occasionally have to replace the throttle lever here. Those are the main things. I'll just quickly show you underneath. You see that? So yeah, it's like I say, an enclosed deck. Has the blade carrier in the middle and then a flail blade at each end. Like I say, chops the grass up fine and then pushes it back into the lawn. And this works ideally for sort of commercial mowing. Victa do make larger self-propelled versions of this with a wider deck. But I find this is a good model because it's easy to move between things. It's fairly light with that cast alloy body, and just a really good workhorse. But unfortunately, like I say, they don't make them anymore, and very hard to get hold of second hand. Be interested to know if any of you guys have either seen one, used one, or whether you can still buy them. Maybe you can still buy them new overseas, I'm not sure. So yeah, just a bit of a quick nerdy mower run through. We'll just start her up. So it's just got a fuel stop here, stop the fuel leaking through to the carburetor, and then hopefully we can do this one-handed. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, no smoke even after all these years of use, and still runs like a dream. So hope you guys that are into mowing or mowers or anything enjoyed that video. If you got any questions or I missed anything out, just give us a yell. I might even do another video at some stage, just a bit in action, just to show you how it performs with the mulching. Until then, thanks for watching. Cheers.